This is called the Bombay Cocktail. We're going to start off by putting our ice in our glass, like so. Now we are going to do a ½ ounce of dry vermouth. ½ ounce of dry vermouth. Then we're going to do a ½ ounce of sweet vermouth. So equal parts dry vermouth and sweet vermouth. Now we're going to do 1 ounce of brandy. Like so. And a ½ ounce of triple sec. In that goes. And then just a small amount of anise. A-N-I-S, anise. Small amount, so maybe 3/4 or so of an ounce. That's probably good. Now shake this all together. Woo! Anise is pretty potent. It is strong stuff, so if I can get this off, I'll show you what your cocktail looks like. There we go. This is what your Bombay cocktail. Woo! If I spill it all over the place. Looks like, there you go. Cheers.